just a
thing.
This is a bolt action rifle. It's a single shot.
Yeah.
One of them
well,
AR-14.
Let me see that thumb trick.
Oh no. It's magic.
It's broken, dude. Take it back.
You ready?
I scared him.
I didn't think you were actually gonna do that.
That was fun.
Isn't that fucking rad?
That is the craziest fucking thing, dude.
You want a video? You're like, damn right.
First time, dude.
Hold on. Good? Yeah.
Oh, you got one. Oh, I'm fucking rock hard. That's so much
Isn't that
fun.
fucking rad?
Yeah, it's badass.
Machine guns. They're the funnest. That's fucking neat.
You can't really hurt
Well,
the guy.
I don't know if we want to set out to try to either, do
I
we?
don't care. We can burn a barrel out of it. It's fine. I'll just ask for another one.
That's it?
They'll just send him one.
Yeah, that'll sound
That's it?
well, the only part
That's it. You just call them up and you're like, hey, I ruined a barrel, bro.
Dude, if I called them up and said that I burned out a barrel dumping fucking full auto mags, they'd be like, oh yeah, bro, burn another one. There you go.
No
just
way.
post about it.
Where's it going?
It's just a hard trigger. You gotta pull harder.
there, buddy.
Get a video.
I don't have my phone.
Oh,
you
that's
gotta-
like hurting my eyes.
You got it the first time. There's a few more in there, I think. Fuck yeah.
It's really hard to stay on.
That's
dope. Get a couple more here. We get to go?
Pressure's on. Go ahead. You gotta spin the safety more.
What? Oh,
There you go.
That's on safety.
Now you're on safe. All the way the other way. I know it's weird because it doesn't usually work that way.
One more.
Because it won't go
No,
anymore.
That's it.
That's it. You got it. Here, hold on. Let's restart that. All right. All right. Go ahead.
Holy. That does burn your eyes. Man.
Controlled bursts were good, dude.
Yeah, it was.
It's got a gas piston in it that makes it a lot better. If it was just a total gas operation, it'd be really
If you
bad.
put your safety glasses on while you're shooting,
Yeah, you
Yeah,
wouldn't have that problem.
It got away from me.
Don't touch that can anything. It'll light shit on fire.
Is that?
In like a couple bursts.
Is there a bunch of
Where'd the
people
government
that
come
do that? Like,
he brought it
you
so
do
we
for
could
the
take the
company and
fucking
shit?
silence
There's
out.
a few, but no. No, it's still too hot. It's too hot. It just fucking. Even my mitt is melting.
You gotta
It's not
get
gonna
it.
work.
Grab
Yeah.
it, grab it again.
Okay, hold on.
It's melted actually.
Silence or go, you're a rip out.
Alright, Ava, you want to shoot 12 gauges? What?
Damn, son.
Fucking burn it down. Your last
Why not?
like 10 or 15 are all right
Oh,
in there.
yeah.
Well, once I figured out how much it's gonna kick back, it's like
Once you had to lean into it.
it's like oh, it's gonna hold as much.
Yeah, so I didn't get that part figured out.
Shot out. Everything you shoved in.
Dude, you landed one of them. I landed one.
Oh, it didn't seat. Go ahead.
Oh.
Try again. Redo. Keep going.
Dude, it did it again.
Don't be a fuzzy. He knocked it down.
Wow. 50%'s not bad.
Oh, really?
Yes. It's full auto. That's why it gets as bad so fast. I have no control over that. It was Lance with his 40 rounder. I should have brought that 100 round drum just to be an asshole. Can you actually get in there?
Yeah, a little bit.
Just where it feeds.
I wish somebody had an Allen wrench. I can't believe nobody has an Allen wrench kit.
If I had my
Put
truck,
that
I would.
Fucking lube on there.
That'll work.
Now it's gonna be a smoky asshole though. You thought it was smoking you before. Nope. It won't be bad though. It'll be oil smoke, not blowback. Lick it for good luck.
I had to show this guy how you put the thing back in.
Luke, have you ever put a thing in?
Yeah. Well.
That was funny. Shoot better.
All right.
What, a jam?
Yep.
Ah, bummer.
Every time, Max.
Dirt bikes.
Oh, okay.
There it goes.
Jesus. You jammed. Yep.
So just pull all the way back and hold it back. All
You
the way
want to
back.
grab that? Oh.
Okay, let go.
Drop
Okay, all the way back. Then drop it. There you go.
You're charging us for
There's a
rounds.
live one right there.
Yeah.
You can pick
There
up
goes 50 cents. Jeez, dude. Bro. That quick.
It was close.
Take it out. Just take it out. Kill it. Kill her dead.
Grab it. Let me grab this one.
That's so fast.
Oh, God, machine guns suck.
Dude. Oh.
Just guys being
Grab
dudes.
it. Go ahead. Grab it.
See the circumference.
Yeah, it's big. This is where it was at. That's a pretty good hole.
You think a rock flew back that far? Because I mean, I heard
yeah.
something hit.
Something hit the
heard it
pickup
hit.
for sure. You can hear it in the video.
Really?
Yeah, here.
What
Yeah.
this
Dude,
Yeah.
Max.
Got it?
Oh man. Pure enjoyment, brother. Pure enjoyment.
I'm glad you're here, dude.
Pure
That was awkward. but-
Pure enjoyment.
I'm glad you're here. Not many people can say they can rip
Fuck
full auto.
no, dude.
You know what's stupid? If you go to
Well,
machine
there's so very few people that when you mention it, they think it's illegal.
Probably through basic training, at least 300 hours cleaning my M16.
Did you wear the metal out by cleaning it?
I fucking had this extremely shiny.
Like polished.
My drill sergeant was like, "What the fuck are you doing, Thomas?" I was like, "I'm cleaning my weapon, drill sergeant." He's like, "That is magnificent." I was like, "I don't know what to do."
Just throw them up for me.
Oh, make it easy for you?
Exactly, for the
No.
video.
You're going first?
Sure.
Follow-up shot? And then all 30?
All
15 or 20 or whatever. Yeah.
Hold on, let me take a whack at this. Bolt!
I think I winged it. You winged it, right?
Yeah. I saw a little chip come off of there. Good shot.
Keep your foot on the brake until the clutch, you can feel it start to engage.
Okay.
Keep coming, little bit, right there.
Right
Now
now.
take your foot off the brake and feather the gas. Now let the clutch out.
Hey, whoa, I did it.
You did it perfectly.
Hey, let's
Wasn't
stop
even-
right here and try again.
Yeah,
No.
it didn't even give me whiplash. That was a good job.
And that in the parking lot took me a lot more tries than that.
Yep.
Oh, we coming down this road in the first place.
Well, and
took me
here's
a lot
here's
longer.
here's the thing too, is every clutch.
How am I supposed
So
to do
you
this?
can't roll back because there's a car behind you.
You have
Well, let's pretend we're in traffic in Portland.
You have to
You're
let
on
the clutch out until you feel it grab.
a hill. Yep.
You gotta go out a long ways.
Yep. Okay, so once you feel it grab,
I'm all the way out and I didn't feel it.
Well, that's because you're neutral. Okay.
There it is.
Okay, now you should be able to let off the brake and we won't roll back. See? Now just feather the throttle. Just feather the throttle and ease out of the clutch.
Oh.
Just one.
Feather it. Oh, you just let the clutch out too quick.
Dude. My God.
Ava's laughing. I think don't dump it. Just let it.
Dude. We'd be on this hill forever.
Lucas Covey, 2020.
Come on.
The name.
Gas.
You're
Died.
Yep. You gotta have much. You let the clutch out too much without enough gas. Some gas. Now let the clutch out some. You push the clutch back in because we started rolling it. It's all right. Don't worry about it.
Oh, I killed it.
This nice and easy gas. You let the clutch out too fast.
Obviously. You can't say it every time.
Well, then prove me wrong.
Well, I know what I... God.
This is good practice.
You got it.
There you go.
God, about time.
Man, thank goodness that hill wasn't any steeper.
Dude, I'm hungry. I was wondering why I was waiting for
Jeez,
lunch
dude.
here.
That was embarrassing.
It's hard.
I've never had to do it on a hill before.
I know.
There you go.
Not enough for me plus more. I fucked up. I didn't bring any.
Josh, you didn't bring any beer.
I brought ammo. I brought ammo this time.
So did I.
Usually I don't bring ammo.
You brought like 90 rounds. Pipe down.
I brought ammo.
Okay, go ahead. I was going for like square in the forehead.
It was close. It was close.
YouTube star.
Oh yeah, that's you, buddy.
Coming over to see what the girls are doing.
Say cheese.
Yeah, right.
Say cheese.
I kind of want to back it up a ways. Watch out, Mason.
Yeah.
D,
No,
D is
D is
Don't drop
defibrillator.
this one, Mason.
D is for sure. It's the A and the D. A and the E. Freezer parts.
Dude, what did I just say? Don't drop that.
You boys might as well be brothers.
I didn't even say, here, do not drop this one. On the streets, here you are.
Oh, one.
You
Hey,
guys,
they're on top of the box.
you guys are failing. You're failing your apprentice class for today.
We learned it from the best.
You guys made a good video though. I
So
will
like
say
we
that.
paid to be here, so we're good to go.
Yeah.
Just make him do it.
Yeah, give me that. Give it. Okay.
At a certain point in time, patience runs out and you just start doing shit yourself. I know how that works.
Yours? Okay.
Oh, yeah, I know. That annoys me so much, too.
Yeah, like my dad's sitting here turning the screwdrivers, not even on the head with the screw.
Oh no, now I really fucked it up.
Why, you did one Phillips and one screw?
Well, no.
No, just grab the other one, like this one, and you're good to go.
Okay, good.
If we get 6 or 7 years out of this switch too, maybe we'll
Here you
just
go.
start from scratch.
Over for him.
A couple pecker heads.
Okay.
The other kind
Yeah, I know.
There's a
You
lot of
and
other
Brian.
tools in that bag we could have grabbed, you, Matt.
We got 2 picker heads and a blind guy.
Best work crew we got going on here.
Yeah, we're gonna get this shit figured out.
Yeah, you lost one of the screws for this bad boy.
I didn't lose shit. You dropped it out of my hand.
No, you're over here.
You're all dying. Look up, let me out.
You're over here trying to line it up with a hole. You just can't quite get it.
Plenty of fucking shit.
No,
Just
this
put it
fork
together.
goes for the. Oh my god, this is why.
We don't need a fucking another screw. Just tighten that top one down. We're good. Right? You picked up on what he was putting down, right? That's what I got out of that.
It's gonna make
Like,
great
I mean, that's what I got out of that conversation.
How the last thing I wasn't up here.
Well, of course not.
Mason, God, quit, dude.
The last thing was the lady from.
Whoa, magnet.
2, 1, go.
What's up, buddy?
You ready to give up, pussy?
Am I ready?
You ready to put me down?
Is this all you have, Dad?
Yep.
Yo.
Yeah, it's all I got. It's all I got.
All right, come.
I was standing over there on your deck, looking back at the back window of your truck, and the angle I was standing was just perfect to where it said "come back." Fucking S was just, the S was perfectly covered up, and it said "come back," and I'm like, oh, that's weird. It's a come bag.